body parts of a bird. Like us, birds have also different body parts. They have 2 eyes, 2 wings, a beak, 2 legs, and a tail. The body of the birds is covered with feathers. Let us study them one by one. Feathers. Birds have feathers of different colors and sizes. They have 3 types of feathers. Body feathers cover a bird's body. Down feathers are small, soft, and fluffy feathers that keep the bird warm. Flight feathers are long and help a bird to fly. Flight feathers are present on tail and wings. Beaks. Birds don't have teeth. They use their beaks to catch and eat food. Different birds have different kind of beaks, depending on the food they eat. Birds such as sparrow, pigeon, and peacock have short and strong beaks to crush seeds and grains they eat. Water birds such as duck and goose have broad and flat beaks with tiny holes on either side to filter out excess water. Birds such as eagle, vulture, and hawk have strong, sharp, and hooked beaks to tear the flesh they eat. Sunbird and hummingbird have long and pointed beaks to suck nectar from flowers. Parrot has short and curved beak, which helps them to crack open nuts and seeds. Woodpecker has strong, pointed, and kissel-shaped beak to make holes in tree trunk and pull out insects. Kingfisher and cranes have spear-shaped beaks that are designed for fishing. Feet and claws. 2 feet with claws. They use their feet to walk, hop, or swim and to hold their food. Different birds have different types of feet and claws. Perching birds like pigeons, sparrows, and crows have 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. Flesh-eating birds such as eagles, vultures, and owls have very sharp and curved claws called talons. Scratching birds such as hens use their claws to scratch and dig the ground to find worms. Climbing birds such as woodpeckers and parrots use their toes to climb trees. They have 2 toes on the front and 2 toes at the back. Wading birds such as herons and cranes have long legs with spread out toes. Swimming birds such as ducks and swans have webbed feet.